Hey guys, we're coming at you from the V-Berth this week. And we just wanted to give a shout out to our newest patron, Mark, and say thank you so much for subscribing to our Patreon. I'm going to leave the Patreon link down in the description if you want to go check it out. You can join completely free, but check out the paid tiers as well. There's a lot of cool benefits that come with each tier. Thanks so much again for subscribing to our Patreon, Mark. Thank you to each and every one of you who continue to support us. It means so much to us. Enjoy this week's episode.
With that, let's get to this week's video.
So, I haven't been able to find work since we've been in Fort Pierce. I've been applying to different restaurants and storefronts, just trying to find any job really, and no one has been hiring because it's slow season here, which, you know, you'd think in Florida the summer would be busy season, but that's not the case apparently. I guess because of hurricane season, I'm not sure. Either way, nobody's hiring, so I left Fort Pierce and went to Port St. Lucie, where I thought I'd have better luck because it's a bigger city. I did have better luck. I had 2 interviews at an Outback Steakhouse where I was supposed to start working, and then went in for a 3rd time for onboarding, or so I thought. And when I got there, the manager told me that they had decided actually not to hire me. So that sucks. I really need a job. So if you know anyone hiring in the Fort Pierce area, let me know. But in the meantime, I don't really feel comfortable spending very much money, which means it's pretty hard to do boat projects. We plan to do the fiberglassing job on the deck that we'd been wanting to do for a while this weekend. But I don't know, I don't really want to buy a bunch of fiberglass and balsa and epoxy resin and spend hundreds of dollars on that and then be worried about, you know, paying our slip fee the next month. So we're holding off on that. And I do apologize because I know these videos are becoming less and less about our boat and more about everything that we're doing besides our boat. We're running out of time because our plan was to head to the Bahamas in January, but we still have solar to buy and jobs to do and all this stuff that we want to outfit our boat with that costs a lot of money, and the longer I go without a job, the less time we're going to have to save up for that. So starting to get a little nervous, but I promise that we'll get back to the boat work as soon as we can. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Eric Ondera from the channel No Bullshit, Just Sailing. He's a total badass. If you've never watched his stuff, you should go watch his stuff. Super cool. But all that's to say that this week I feel like our channel should almost be called All Bullshit, No Sailing. So that's your warning. If you're not into the bullshit, then maybe just come back next week. If you want to stick around, then enjoy this week's episode. How you feeling after your first jellyfish attack?
It's not that bad, but it seems like animals just love to come for me these days. I don't know. Why can't you get Abby? Nah, I'm playing.
Let me see the front. Yeah, you could see where its little barb went around.
Yeah, but my back is what hurt the worst.
That's definitely the widest area.
Yeah. That was the one that happened first, and I was like, ah. But nah, I'd say from this particular jellyfish, the pain level is probably a 3 out of 10. Catfish was like at least a 7 out of 10. Leave a comment if you want Abby to pee on it.
You can barely even see the little stinger.
I don't think that's the one. Because the one that got me had longer.
How do you know? You didn't see it.
It definitely wasn't that big because I could feel it. So, as you guys can tell, my hair is getting a little wonky. And Abby is going to give me a haircut.
Yep. I'm a little
is,
nervous because...
I mean, rightly so. This is not the first time she's tried this. We had a little oopsie and ended up shaving my entire head. So, hopefully...
Looking like Eminem for a while.
Slim Shady. So hopefully this time goes better. But
yeah, we won't have to give you the Slim Shady.
We shall see.
The Marshall Mathers.
Find my occipital bone first.
What? This? What's supposed to be there?
It. I don't know.
Then why would that be helpful?
So the other barber said
Stop,
something.
no,
About
I'm gonna just go. I'm just gonna do it.
Right.
I'm just gonna do it!
Are you on a 3?
I'm supposed to be on 3 up here?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm on 3. Okay. I just, you know, you're supposed to flick up.
Yeah, and you didn't?
Yeah, that one was just a little close. It's okay. We're okay.
No, I like it. I think Abby did a much better job this time than the first time. What do you think?
I'm impressed, honestly. I was a little scared. It was touch and go there for a moment, but I think I did a good job. And like you said, it will only get better, so. Alright, you guys saw that John had his haircut a few days ago. And it got me thinking that maybe it's time for me to have a haircut. We're down here in Florida. It's hot every single day. We're pretty active. We go to the beach a lot, and the long hair is becoming less and less manageable. So I think I'm gonna cut it. I can't decide if I'm gonna do like a proper haircut or if I'm just gonna like do the wolf cut thing that's been circulating all over the internet and just section it out and lob it off. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna wet it down first and we'll see what happens. If you made it this far, hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're going to need all the help we can get on this journey, including yours. If you want to help support us on this adventure and help us keep making videos like these, check out our Patreon. The link's in the description. And if you want to follow along with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.